Hi guys, welcome back to the Health is Wealth Connection. My name is Esme, and today Brandy and Melissa are going to be discussing laser and aesthetics and all the services we offer here at Health is Wealth Family Care and Health is Wealth Laser. They have a great discussion, and we also included questions that some of you guys asked. So I hope you have a great listen, and let us know if you have any questions.
Hi guys,
How are you guys?
I'm here with Melissa Lottie today, who does a lot of our aesthetic procedures in the office. So we just wanted to get on here and talk to you a little about what we do. So we got some questions prior. Melissa, she's on the hot seat, and we didn't give her a lot of time to prepare, so it's kind of off the cuff.
No.
So I've heard of dermal fillers, but I've never tried them. What types do you offer, and how do they work?
Yes, we've got a couple different types. We have Radius, which we love. That can help fill. It can help be a biostimulator. And the great thing about it is you can put it just about anywhere in your face, in your abdomen to help with crepey skin, under the arms, around the knees, the neck. Yes, all kinds of good stuff. You can also fill, so you can use it for cheeks. Great for jawline. So we love Radius. We also have some hyaluronic acid fillers, which are Versa, which is great for lips. You can use it also in different places on the face as well. And we have Bellatero, great for fine lines. It's a thin filler, help with a lot of those lines around the mouth. A lot of people don't like these lip lines. So those are the fillers that we have here. And we obviously have Xeomin as well.
So it's the more natural form Botox. It doesn't have like as much of the fillers and things like that in it. It's made by the same person who makes Botox. Xeomin, you can use it lots of places. So it can help to lift the jawline up, which I think is great, around the eyes. People use a lip flip if you're not wanting to get filler. And it helps to make you actually have an upper lip, which I do like.
We can use it in the neck. We can use it in the masseters.
For headaches.
Yeah.
We can do it in the traps. Yeah. So
Stuff.
it's a lot of fun. That's why we like doing that.
It is fun.
The membership. Oh, we do have a membership, which is very inexpensive. I think it gets down to $9 per unit or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's really a steal of a deal. And if you're getting it done every 3 months, why not just pay for it slowly versus one chunk coming out? So Melissa, I know it's important to you that people don't look overfilled, and it's very natural. People can't tell. Do you want to talk about that?
Absolutely. Yeah. So that's our goal here. Obviously, everyone has a different idea of how they want to look, but overall, we pretty much do more natural look here. So we do that by everyone gets a consultation and a plan. So this isn't going to be overnight. This takes overtime. So we have lasers. We have great skincare by ZO that helps that, and the Xeomin to help with the wrinkles. If people want the fillers and the biostimulators, by doing that over time, and less is more, right? And pretty much anything. So meeting everybody where they are and building on the plan versus just filling a bunch of stuff in. So it takes a lot more than just filler.
Yes. Melissa's very skilled. I'm not going to anybody else. And so I trust her, and I love that she does have the nurse practitioner background, and I just am confident in what she's doing. We also have a cool vein finder. We should have brought that in. So the vein finder, it can help with us locating some of those vessels. So we stick away from them, hopefully less bruising. Bruising can always happen.
Absolutely. And there's risks in anything. So that helps minimize the risk. So there are risks with fillers and can happen to any injector. So those are just the way we help minimize those risks.
Yep. How often should you get dermal filler?
Yeah, so that's a great question. It depends on the person. So typically we say about every 6 months, but sometimes like Radius can last up to a year. So it really depends on obviously the dose we give you, how old you are, and what you're going for, like what your goal is. Yeah.
Okay. What can someone expect before, during, and after an aqua gold facial?
All right. Aqua gold facial. So that is a facial we do here. So we mix up some ingredients, put it in a little chamber, and we stamp it all over the face. We do Xeomin in there. You can do your PRP, which we draw and spin it down. So it's your own natural PRP. But we have some other ingredients in there that we do. So really, we numb you for about 30 minutes. It's really not a painful procedure. It's very quick. Really the numbing and drawing your blood is the longest part. Afterwards, you could be a little red from the device, from the little tiny needles. But yeah, just glow. In a couple weeks, it looks great.
Yeah, I do. I love it.
Yeah. No real downtime.
No. And I will say it's not like your foo-foo kind of facial. Like you're not getting massaged. We want people to have the right expectation. It's more of like a medical grade type of facial.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, so do topical lip fillers actually work?
Absolutely.
We got this guy.
We love our self. Erica's our rep. She brought these in. They're great. They're great for people that don't want filler in their lips. They're also great for people that have filler that just want a little bit more. I use it. It is a daily. There is a loading dose, so we can help you through that. There is kind of some education through that. And this great lip conditioner to go with. I love it. Yeah, it's really great. So,
and you can get that too, even if you have filler and you want it on there, or if you don't have filler. I still use it, and so I love it.
Yep, not a lip plumper.
No.
So
it's going to go into those tissues and to help fill it out. The cool thing about it is that if you have an event coming up, you can do it prior to the event, and then if you don't, like it, you can stop it. But people like it, and it goes away. So you have to keep up with it.
And it's more subtle. It's more of a natural look.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
Okay. I've seen Zio products on your social media, but haven't tried any. Is there any products someone should start out with?
Yeah. I love this. The Get Skin Ready is a great one. The anti-aging kit I promote a lot for patients that I see here. That's a great place to start with skincare. Skincare is it's a commitment. It's something you got to do consistently, just like anything in life. You need to be consistent. And I think we love Zio here. Use it. I wasn't really that consistent with it until a couple years ago, and I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. And just to help with all everything you put into your skin, the money, all of that, just helps with that investment, right? It's important to do that along with everything else, or you're just kind of wasting your money.
And then we do have right now, so we have this little QR code, but for Google reviews, we're going to give away one of the Getting Skin Ready kits. And so that has in it your gentle cleanser, the exfoliating polish, and complexion renewal pads. That's an awesome kit. That's a great place to start for most people too. But I will say the growth factor has been changing on my skin. It smells great. If I could bathe in it, I would.
Yeah.
But it's too expensive to do that.
Yeah. Retinol is also a big game changer. I don't believe it has that in those kits.
It doesn't, but yeah, you can add to it. You can kind of make your own. I do like the under the eye. Everything is it's great. It's just a good product line to have. I use the SPF every single day.
Oh, yes.
Even when I'm in the office for it too. It's very light, and I've not gotten burnt on my nose in years since I started using it. And I used to get burnt all the time for my sunglasses.
Yeah. I pretty much use it as just a foundation.
That's exactly what I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. And before we lead into laser, Heidi, would you mind explaining kind of Health is Wealth family care side and we offer aesthetics there? And then also we have the Health is Wealth laser partner.
Yeah. So we have two different companies here. So we have Health is Wealth Family Care that does your functional traditional medicine, but it also does some of the aesthetics. And we do that because patients want it and we want to offer it to them. And then our members get these ridiculously crazy good prices. So, and that's part of making it more valuable for your membership as well. And then we have the laser company, which Melissa, Janelle, and I own together. It's been a lot of fun. We've learned a ton. Melissa has done a ton of advanced procedures and we're all doing a lot of education. So we have numbing here. We've got the Pronox, which helps like laughing gas. So to help you tolerate, there's any discomfort. But most of the lasers, there's not a lot of discomfort. The hair removal, Lumecca, it's very, very minimal vasculase. Morpheus, now that does go in deeper, and that's why we do numb you really well and have the Pronox as the option. I've never had to use the Pronox for the Morpheus before. I feel like it's pretty comfortable, but there are some areas that are a little less comfortable.
And everyone's different with pain control.
Yeah, exactly. And, time of the month, for women, it depends too. But what they say is if it hurts, it works. And so we definitely want, you to get a good outcome. We're always happy to make sure that we're meeting your results. But we're always going to be honest if we think it's not going to work too. Like if you need more, we'll never tell you to do something we truly don't think you'll get great results from.
Yeah. And just to add into that, like look good, feel good is kind of our as far as the Health is Wealth family care side, the things we do there to help your health, but also this laser side to help and the aesthetics to help you also feel good as well about how you look. And it's all kind of ties in together, right?
It does.
Yeah.
We earlier today, I was drawing somebody's blood because our phlebotomist couldn't get in here earlier today. And I said, one-stop shop.
Right.
And so what else can we do while you're here? We're answering questions and doing medical stuff as well.
Yeah. And it's important to do all the things. Exercise, healthcare, all the,
Exactly. Yes. Okay. So on to the laser. What inspired you to be a business owner?
Oh gosh, that's a hard one. I don't know. I guess I got suckered in. No, I'm kidding. No. It's been really fun. I just, I love aesthetics. I love laser.
You love procedures.
I love procedures.
Yeah.
and something different. I've been doing this for a while, and this was a little something different. So it's been lots of fun.
Yeah. So with owning the health as well side, Melissa and Janelle and everyone here, of course, too, have become such good friends. And I was just so excited to get them into owning a business too.
Yeah.
And then we thought, how could it pair well? Somebody came up with this laser idea. I'm like, gosh, I want to use it for myself. And then this is a great way to do it. So we're having fun with it. And again, our functional patients get 35% off of the laser, which is a steal of a deal. But we were trying to make your memberships so valuable for you. Everybody ends up saving money over the year. Okay. How does Morpheus 8 work, Melissa? And what skin concerns does it target?
All right. So Morpheus 8 is, it really helps build that collagen, skin tightening, can help contour in some people. Well, most people, it just, everyone is different is where they are with their skin, right? But overall, it's a great preventative as we age to help with that skin tightening. And again, can be on the face. It can be under the arms where you have skin on your abdomen. It can also help target fat in areas that we want to target fat. Obviously, there are people there we do not want to target fat on their face, but we know the settings to not do that. So
there are for everyone.
Everyone's different. And so we know those settings, and we've done a lot of education on that. And I love Morpheus. I think it's it's our most popular, I would say. And it's great. And it's great for anyone, really. I mean, we even have teenagers that have done it for acne scarring, just overall complexion, sweating, hyperhidrosis for those that sweat a lot. It can be very embarrassing for some people. So that's worked great. We've had several people very happy with that. Yeah. So it does a whole, I could go on and on about Morpheus, but yeah, good stuff.
Okay. And then usually you do 3 to 4 sessions when you first start with it. And then you will just annually, typically is what people do as your age.
Different and what they're going to see. One person may need 3 sessions. One person may need 4 or 5. And again, it's dependent on the body, on where you're at on the body.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So if this person was struggling with loose skin in their face after losing weight, and they also had acne scarring. Okay. So what do you recommend?
Oh gosh. Yeah. Skincare, ZO. I also Morpheus on the face, resurfacing tip. The Morpheus has different tips, and I won't go into that, but we can also do the resurfacing tip, so it'll hit that top layer. And I love Hyperdilute Radiesse.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, so that is a package. That's what I would recommend. Absolutely.
Yep, I agree. Yep, and we're going to be doing next month a package where we're going to combine both those together because we do think you're going to get your best results.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Good stuff.
Okay. Pigmentation and sunspots.
Lumecca. Lumecca is our IPL, so our intense pulse light therapy, which helps with sunspots, helps with overall pigment, the tone of your skin. I would say largely we do a lot of the sunspots here on your neck, on your face. I've done hands are a big one. I did it on mine. They need some touch up, but it works great. So, yeah.
And that's something that you do kind of routinely have to do because any sun exposure is going to bring them back.
Yeah. Yeah. And the downtime is minimal with ours. It is, a little kind of coffee ground as the brown starts to come to the top. Another great one to add onto that is a ZO 3-step peel.
Yeah. I almost forgot about those.
Yeah. So
you will peel.
Melissa, firsthand experience. You need downtime for that. Yeah. You could go to our Instagram and watch my
your peel that I did. Yeah, and that one can get a little spicy, but again,
that gets spicy.
Tips to help with it. But if you're doing both those and brown spots are an issue for you, that's where it's at. So good.
Yeah, I love it.
You wouldn't do it before going on vacation, No. You want to make sure you're staying out of the sun.
Out of the sun. Yep.
For it. Okay. Here's a rosacea one. I've struggled with rosacea most of my life. This is what this patient had said. Is there any treatment that could help improve that? I think we kind of hit on it.
Yeah,
Lumecca. Yeah.
There's also some ZO products, Rosatrol, overall the tone pack, there's different things you can do. Stay, being careful in the sun.
Then going back to the health as well side, there's a lot that we can do, dietary interventions and, work from the inside out as well. So we get the root cause. So you don't need all the extra fixes, hopefully, but at least while you're dealing with it, we can get it started to minimize your symptoms. And because I know it's kind of embarrassing sometimes for people to have that. So, okay. I've heard mixed reviews about laser hair removal actual working. What are your thoughts with its effectiveness?
Gosh, I think it works great.
Oh my
From
gosh.
personal experience, patients we have. And again, with anything, it may take, depending on the body, where you are on the body. So I would say underarms are pretty easy to get that about 5-6 sessions. The bikini area as well, unless you want a Brazilian bikini, that can take some more time. And that honestly would be a touch up probably once a year. Overall, the back for men, I would say, can take some more sessions. Yeah, 6 to 8. And again, everyone's different and how coarse their hair is, what the pigment of their hair is. Let's see here. Legs. Legs are one of our most popular, and it's a game changer. People love that.
I was on vacation for a week and did not have to shave hair. It was fantastic. And I will say, even after the first hair removal, I had great results. And then you could tell where my hair was regrowing at about 6 weeks, and you just have to do a different area. But I will say my legs were completely smooth, but I did one myself and missed an area. And you can definitely tell the difference from where it's at. That's why, you should do your own.
Chin, under the upper lip. That's another really popular one. Some people just have a lot of facial hair. Even women, if they're on hormone therapy, they sometimes need that, and it works. It's great.
Lots of PCOS women who have been dealing with it while we're working on the inside. It can help with taking care of that. And again, our patients get these fantastic discounts. Hair removal is very inexpensive.
It is. It's great. And we can work with you. It's good stuff. Yeah. And also people that get, when you shave, you get the razor rash.
So bad.
Yes. We have one patient here that has sworn by it. She's like, I used to get that all the time. And she's like, this is great. Yeah.
And we do have a laser package. That's one thing I think we haven't mentioned yet. And so we have a laser package where you get an extra discount off of your laser treatment. You don't have to be a member at Health as Well side to be able to get that. And it's kind of cool because you put so much money in a month, and so it almost gets banked for you, so then it doesn't feel as big of a deal. You also get a $250 credit at your 6-month anniversary, and again at your year. You get discounts on ZO, you get discounts on Xeomin. It's pretty cool, and we're going to be announcing a new package. It's more of like an executive plan coming out, so be on the lookout for that.
Yeah.
Would I be able to come in for a consultation to show you some of my skin concerns and find out which treatment is best for me?
Oh my goodness. Yes. Sign on up. Love it.
And if you don't know what you're going to be doing too, so if you don't know if you're going to do a Morpheus or if you're going to do a Xeomin, then that's something that we don't even do a consult fee because we do it on the family care side. But if you're just coming in for laser, that's a $100 consult, but that goes towards your actual treatment too. So you're not losing any money for that.
No.
And then Melissa will sit down, talk to you or whoever you're seeing and tell you what exactly do you need. But if you're thinking about filler and doing the hyperdilute, then I would see Melissa and decide which ones to do.
Yeah.
I saw online you offer discounts to Health as Wealth patients. If I join Health as Wealth patient, can I get a discount on more than one laser treatment? Yep. You get to use your discount. All of the people who, I think the first 50 people who bought something, we actually gave them a card to give to a friend to do a 40% off discount. So those went out in the mail just recently. And then all those patients say, thank you. We gave an extra 5% off as well. Okay.
Come see us.
Yes, we definitely want you to come see us. We love it. It's a lot of fun. It's so exciting when people are so happy with the results. And I mean, somebody just on the phone was telling me about how amazing Melissa's helped her feel. So I think it's pretty cool. So we have an open house coming up. So April 17th, it's going to be from 5 to 7. Esme's behind the camera, making sure I'm saying things correctly. So we're going to have lots of giveaways. So we have lots of vendors coming, and we've done this before. It's super cool because each vendor brings something to give away. And so there's lots of raffles. Plus we are giving off 50 units of Xeomin twice. So 2 people are just going to get that for free. And this is a no strings attached. This is say thank you for our patients, hopefully meet some new patients. Our family comes, our friends come. It's just a nice way to celebrate and, treat the staff too. And you can ask any of our staff. Our staff have all gotten treatments from the laser. So you can ask any of them what they like, what they don't like. We can do that for them for Christmas so they could tell you guys what they think. So we try to treat them as well. We're going to be giving away a laser. We're going to be giving away an orthomolecular bundle. That's a supplements. We're going to be giving away an ourself bundle. We always do a membership, a 3-month membership. So you get to try it out, make sure you like it. And just remember, our memberships are always, you can cancel, give us 30-day notice. You're not locked in for a year, right? And we have some very lowest rates around town. We're going to give away a CIMT scan. So that's the carotid intima thickness. And so what we'll check for that intima medial thickness is it will check for any type of plaques. And so that one of those will be given away for free. Metagenics, we've got ZO that we're going to be giving away for free. We've got some Everjoy permanent jewelry will be here. And she's giving away a gift certificate. We've got Tessa Keller that's giving away a bakeware gift card for $200. Let's see what else. We have 2, bring a friend, each get $100 extra off any service. By a membership, you get 1 free service as well from Lumecca Dilaser Vasculase. And then we're going to do buy a Morpheus and get another half off Morpheus. That's a steal of a deal, guys. I mean, that's really good. And then we're doing similar with Lumecca. So be watching social media. Please give us a review if you feel like you would like to, and then just let us know so we can get you entered to win that GSR too.
Yeah. Thanks for listening.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.